The all-new 2025 Peugeot 3008 GT line has arrived, and it's redefining what it means to drive a stylish, performance-packed, tech-savvy SUV. With its bold stance, aggressive front fascia, and sculpted body, this crossover is turning heads on every street it graces. The new frameless grille flows seamlessly into the Lion Claw LED headlights, giving the 3008 a futuristic, unmistakable identity. Gloss black accents, sharp chrome detailing, and sleek GT line badging add that perfect touch of athletic elegance. From the dynamic side creases to the floating roofline and the signature 3D taillights, every inch of the 3008 GT line screams precision and purpose. It's not just an SUV, it's a style icon on wheels. Beneath its sporty exterior, the 2025 3008 GT line delivers performance that surprises and excites. At its core is a refined 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 180 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth, responsive gearshifts. The hybrid variant adds even more punch with an electric boost that brings the total output up to 225 horsepower, and all while remaining fuel-efficient and eco-conscious. The ride quality is truly remarkable, thanks to Peugeot's precision-tuned suspension and advanced chassis balance. Whether cruising through city traffic or attacking winding country roads, the 3008 remains planted, agile, and remarkably quiet. Light, precise steering, combined with excellent visibility, gives the driver confidence and control at every turn. Step inside and you're immediately enveloped in a cockpit that blends luxury with futuristic tech. The Peugeot i-Cockpit takes center stage, a compact steering wheel, a fully customizable 12.3-inch digital driver display, and a stunning 10-inch central touchscreen angled perfectly toward the driver. GT line upgrades include Alcántara-trimmed sport seats with contrast stitching, ambient LED lighting, and brushed aluminum detailing that elevates the entire interior experience. Wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium FOC AL sound system ensure you stay connected and entertained on every journey. Rear passengers are treated to spacious legroom and reclining seats, while a panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. Innovation is everywhere. The 2025 3008 GT line features adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and Peugeot's latest semi-autonomous driving assist. With its perfect blend of flair, function, and futuristic thinking, the new Peugeot 3008 GT line doesn't just compete, it dominates. Stylish, smart, and spirited, this is the SUV that dares to be different.